Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my beach look. It's really fast, and if you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. I am burnt and broken out. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this Dr. Jart water fused moisturizer, and mainly it's because if you can't tell, my face is really sunburnt right now because I went to the pool and I did a big no-no and I didn't put on sunscreen, and I usually don't burn that much if I do burn, but since I haven't been out in the sun in like a couple months, my face did not like it, so I'm applying this to really make sure everything's all good and deeper. And like, can you see this? I used the Fenty foundation like a week or so ago, and literally this entire side of my face broke out from where I put it. This side's not that bad, but this side, oh my god, y'all, it's been rough. And it's like my skin is sunburnt, so it's been peeling. So peeling skin, peeling sunburnt skin, and then this is just like, oof. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because like, it's just a lot of work and I don't think you care how I do my eyebrows, so. Okay, so I just did my brows and I'm gonna apply foundation, but I'm gonna do a very small amount just to cover up my burn, and yeah. And this is the L'Oreal Pro Glow, and I find this works really well if you have breakouts or just overall like discoloration, because it looks like your natural skin texture. Now, what am I doing now? I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Cover FX loose powder and just slightly dust this all over my face. Just kind of, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of putting it everywhere. And my eyebrows are all messed up, but I don't really care because I don't know anyone here. Hopefully I don't see anyone I know at least. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Pixie by Petra highlight and put that all over. I think I'm just going to put on mascara now. Okay, so I'm gonna curl my lashes. My mom is so loud. I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Total Temptation. Okay, yeah, this is the final look. I don't even know why I'm filming this, but yeah, subscribe, thumbs up, comment. Bye guys.